Susie Kins and Susie Quins. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion of the world. And you can acknowledge me. I say, hey, oh, the Susie Bobby. Look at this. Look at this. I'm wearing Big E. I want Big E will come back and win it, every single matches, every single promos. And I want him back in WWE. If you want to see Big E back in WWE in Friday Night SmackDown with a New Day, leave some comments below because I will see your thoughts on it. But dude, Cena is back. And SmackDown Women's Championship on the line tonight. And the main event is Kevin Owens and John Cena versus Roman Reigns and Sami Zayn. I will watch that at 2 hours from now. It'll be amazing. So today's pay-per-view is tacos. If you love Mexican food, please in the comment section. If in the comment section, because obviously the favorite Mexican foods. But they'll be amazing. And let's go jump into our food review today here. Alrighty, so our Gary, this is a chicken tacos from the bowl. Which is pick up. Come on, you. Here we go. Let's just see how it's this. Oh. Well, that is a really good taco. I love tacos and I love burritos. The burritos is my number one favorite, but tacos is close second. Wow. And that is every guys, yo. Because I love food. If you love food, this is comments below. Also, WWE, sushi, you name it. Please comment below. I wasn't Hannah Montana because I missed the best of Disney shows. So that's why I wasn't Hannah Montana. I'm almost done editing my a vlog on my second channel. You can check it out, by the way. It's called MD's Experience. It's on my vlogs, predictions, you name it. You can watch it. Please comment and like on that channel too. I got 50. I need more subscribers on that channel too. And that is every guys here. So thank you for watching other videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please, we're second animals. Sponsor me on this YouTube channel. This Kid's Sushi channel. And this experiences too, please. And please share the channel to family and friends. And please, merely give with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And with that, I have 2 more to do. Sushi. Yeah! Peace out.